This video outlines the contents of the AADL Bicycle Floor Pumping Toolkit, produced in partnership with Common Cycle. The kit comes with a bike pump. It has a pressure gauge on the top and two different nozzles, a black nozzle for Schrader valves, which are common on mountain bike tires, and a gray nozzle for Presta valves, a more narrow type of bike tube valve. Be sure to select the correct nozzle. The toolkit contains the following items. Number 1. A 7-piece Allen wrench set used for installing and removing hex and Allen bolts on a bike. Number 2. A larger 8mm Allen wrench for installing and removing some pedals, kickstands, and other bike components that use 8mm bolts. Number 3. A small adjustable wrench for installing, tightening, and removing nuts on a bike. Number 4. A 24mm cassette lock ring socket for installing and removing cassette lock rings. Number 5. A freewheel remover for installing and removing freewheels. Number 6. A chain gauge tool for assessing whether a chain has stretched. Number 7. A chain tool with spoke wrenches for resizing and removing chains. This tool also includes different size spoke wrenches to adjust wheel trueness and tension. Number 8. A cable and housing cutter for making clean cuts on cables and housing. Number 9. A chain whip and lock ring wrench for securing the cassette during removal, and a wrench for removing and installing lock rings. Number 10. A pedal wrench with a 24mm socket for removing or installing pedals. It can also be used as a large socket for the other pieces in the kit. Numbers 11 and 12. A Phillips screwdriver and a flathead screwdriver for installing and removing standard size Phillips and flathead screws. Number 13. 2 nested tire levers for installing and removing bicycle tires. Number 14. A sprocket brush for cleaning the cassette and other hard-to-reach places on a bike. Number 15. 2 wire brushes for cleaning a bicycle's cassette and other metal components. Number 16. A small box of ferrules for capping the ends of housing in black for derailleur style and silver for brake style. Number 17. A small box of cable end caps for capping the ends of derailleur and brake cables. There are 2 sizes, the larger for brakes, the smaller for derailleurs. Number 18. A bottle of chain oil for lubricating a bike chain. Number 19. A tube of grease for maintaining bearing systems, as well as preparing seat posts and quill stems for installation. Number 20. A patch kit for repairing a hole in a bike tire's inner tube. This includes glue, various sized patches, and sandpaper for scruffing the tube when applying a patch. Take care to cap the glue after use, or the tube's contents will dry out. Please remember to replace the caps on the bottle of oil and the tube of grease as well. It's recommended that you have a rag or 2 on hand when using items 18 through 20. Find a list of links to tutorial videos for all toolkit items at aadl.org/cckit. If you get stuck or need an extra hand, volunteers at Common Cycle, Ann Arbor's Bicycle Co-op, are available to help walk you through inspection, diagnosis, and repair with the AADL Toolkit. Feel free to reach out to them at info@commoncycle.org or stop by during their open shop hours and they'll connect you with a volunteer for advice by email, phone, or video chat. Thanks for watching, and thanks to our friends at Common Cycle for helping us get this kit into circulation.